yeah, new for me, new for the channel. I've watched some stuff on YouTube, UK salvage rebuilds. Those guys are very, very experienced. They know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. So watch along, sit down, enjoy, grab yourself a beverage, and let's crack on. We're getting this off. Ooh, pretty good. Okay. Now you're in the way. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, so that is it. That's the dashboard placed back in. Loads of work for me to do now and putting everything back together, including fitting airbag cables and whatnot. I think what I'll do is I'll screw stuff in first. I'll screw stuff in place first, you know, put all the torque screws and bolts and whatnot back in so it's properly in place and can't come out before we do any of the airbag stuff. But there's cables to route and all sorts of fun stuff. Screws in. Looking for that one. Right there. And then there's some underneath. Under here somewhere. Got ones behind here. And then there's also a whole bunch in there. Done. Next step, I think, is probably the clocks. I may have to take steering wheel back off for this. Let's see how we go. Why do I put the steering wheel back on, you ask? Well, because I have to bring the car outside to get the doors open properly. Need a spline drive for the steering wheel, by the way, in case anybody wants to know. This is just right for the minute. That should make life easier. Pulling the cam thing. Which way does that go? Well, it locks in that way, so it's got to be all the way back, like that. And I've got to put the plug in, which usually has an orientation. Feels like it should be right. The first time around that went straight in. Second time around similar. Got to be gentle with this, I think, really. Especially around the clutches. Pops them in. Okay, so clean steering wheel. Let's have a look at getting this box back in. It's pretty sketchy, so no doubt 100%. Alright, oh, getting there now. What else do we need to do? That's a weird thing, isn't it? This card needs to look. Oh no, it does. That fits. That's not right. So, center console is in. That comes out this way after you take the plug off the back. The plug that goes on the back of that is this side and faces this way. Right? So, I mean, it's just designed for you not to be able to put it back together again easily. So there it is. As you can see, it is not a small thing, and going to be a bit of a challenge. It was a bit of a challenge to get it on the van. Took pretty much everything that me and the chap had to actually lift it up and get it in there, but it's in. He lent me a ratchet strap. Thanks again for that, Stuart. His details, by the way, down in the description at the bottom of the video. He's got a Panelwork business, does automotive. Like I say, he's over in I think business actually in Bridgend, and so yeah, hit him up if you need some bodywork doing, if you need to buy some equipment, that sort of stuff. Anyway, so stop waffling on. So I've got to get this thing out, and it's probably going to be more than certainly I can do on my own. Neighbours offered to help. Hopefully they'll be here soon. And not only that, we have a secret weapon. And the secret weapon is... it's the engine crane. So I don't know if you've seen this before in the video, but possibly not. I've dragged it back out of hibernation. I thought we wouldn't need this again for a while.
I wasn't intending to pull out any engines, but hopefully we can mackle something together where we can get this thing off the van and into the garage, and then when we do, I'll just have to figure out how to set it up and fix the car. So yeah, stay with us. So does that come out completely, or?
Yeah, you have to take the pin out. Come on, want this one to come out. So my idea is...
What's it weigh?
I don't know.
But our engine hoist doesn't take quite a lot of weight. You could ratchet that to the...
Yeah, or you could hold it.
I could hold it, that's a good plan.
Alright.
Okay, you need the... I'm going to get in.
Into the back up.
Yeah, it shouldn't... honestly, we were joking about it, but hopefully it should be a lot of...
Again, that's what she said.
Come in on that.
Come in on that.
What you didn't.
Okay.
Okay, all good? Good there?
It's going to drop, so be aware of that off the edge.
Is it?
Yeah, isn't it?
Why?
And start swinging about. That's my concern this end.
Right, if you keep going, I'll be able to grab that.
Sorry.
Should be able to.
Sarah. Obviously it's going to hit the trunk.
Pull that. Do you want me to pull that back, Neil? Because you need to have John. John, it's really heavy. Well,
Keep going, Neil.
Yeah, I'm stuck on that. Now, I can.
That's alright, just pull it. Oh no, we have a dilemma.
oh shit. Okay.
Okay, that's fun.
Okay.
You just swing it in the middle of the legs.
That's what she said.
It's on the floor. We can pull it off.
Bob's your Marley.
Booyah!
Booyah! Oh my
Hi,
god!
Are we moving at all? I am not sure we are. Oh, it's working. Huh?
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened there?
No, it's alright. I'm keeping my eye on things.
Something's moving. Well, it's going back quite a bit. Something's moving. It's a car
Car's
moving.
moving a bit, but it's not moving like a lot. I'll just keep my eye on it. Go on. I'll let you know when to stop.
Okay, how far away? Measure now. It's 12 mil, wasn't it?
Yeah.
45 to there. Where are we to the centre of this one? $50. Wow, really.
Alright, so after a number of different pulling sessions, as it were, not Saturday night, but yeah, different sessions pulling this leg across, we've managed to move it now so that the amount of twist, as it were, is reduced dramatically down to where the shut line is there. That's come down to around 10 mil when it should be 5, so it's around 5 mil out. But I've reached the limit of what I can achieve with the tooling that I've got with this dozer. So basically what we now need to do is I need to get this off to a proper body shop with a proper jig and some real expertise. So initially I thought there's only a little tweak in the leg. The reality is it's actually gone further, and I can't pull the leg far enough across without it becoming dangerous because the car's not tied down. I tried strapping it to the lift and various other distinctly dodgy things which I'm not going to put on camera because I don't want anybody following the lead. So I'm not going to do that. I've had a chat with a local guy. He says basically get the rest of the stuff that you need, which is what you can see on the roof of the up there, and it's a golf roof of the up. So that's bumper, grill, etc, etc, etc. So need all that stuff, plus all of the other bits and pieces that we'd already got in terms of I don't know if you can see that down there, but radiator, condenser, the kind of what would be considered the rad pack, plus the crash bar and all the other bits and pieces. So there you go, got some nice boxes over there ready to go, and the shroud and other bits and pieces. So next job for me for this weekend is to finish off all of the rest of the inside of the car. So that's putting the back seats back together, putting the other seat belt in. I will try and video that for you so you can see it. Not really how to, it's just basically bolting stuff back together and putting the trim back in. But we'll do that. We'll load the car up with all the various bits and pieces, and then I've got to organise to get it taken down to the body shop where they can put it on their jig and get that leg straightened down properly. Yeah, so that'll be it on the up for the time being. So it's just been the one video over a few weeks worth of work there. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you have, leave a like and a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, your family, even your boss. Thanks, Brandon. And we will see you on the next one. And in terms of what the next one will be, I'm not going to say, because whenever I say something, I then go off and do something completely different. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along on the stupid journey that is what I get up to in the garage. Always could try harder. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.